Hi guys, let's do our story 18. 한글 이야기. 한글 as Korean letter and 이야기 as a story. And this is illustrated picture of 세종대왕. 세종 is the name of the king. 대 as like big in 한자. 왕 is king. Okay, so if you go to Gwanghwamun, you can see this statue of 세종대왕. And also in 10,001 bill that you will see his portrait. Big figure that made a huge change for Korea. 한글 이야기. 세종대왕은 조선 시대의 왕이에요. Joseon is the name of dynasty. That's previous dynasty before Republic of Korea. 시대 means era or dynasty. 그는 백성들이 글자를 읽지 못하는 것이 안타까웠어요. 백성들이 글자를 읽지 못하는 것. This is noun clause. 백성들 as people, it's referred to people, his common people. And 글자, script. And here, 읽다 is base form of to read. And here is negation, 지 못하다. But you add 는 to make adjective. 읽지 못하는 것. 것 means thing, but its function is actually to make noun clause. That common people couldn't read the letters. And how did he feel about that? 안타까웠어요. 안타깝다. It's feeling, heartbreaking feeling. He felt heartbroken that his people couldn't read. The main reason, illiteracy. So before Hangul, we use 한자, Chinese characters, but we had our own spoken language. For the writing system, because Hanja was complicated, only privileged class was given opportunity to study how to read. So illiteracy rate was really high during Joseon Dynasty. So the huge problem that Sejongdaewang recognized, let's say you commit a crime and you are going to a trial and you are not able to read, so you cannot confirm what it's written in the official document, and oftentimes the people were punished more than they deserved. He was heartbroken. 그래서 therefore 우리나라만의 만 is particle mean only. 우리나라만의 우리, we use 우리 for our country as well. 나라, country. 우리나라. So in English, you guys use my country as reflected to our culture and also language. So we use 우리 a lot. You can hear 우리 가족, 우리 학교, and even 우리 남편. That's a little bit not right to say 우리 남편. 글자, script. 만들고 싶었어요. 고 싶었어요. Want to. And you combine with 만들다. 고 싶었어요. Want to make. 그의 꿈은 dream. 정말 컸어요. 크다. big. His dream really big. 결국, finally, or at the end, this is time of year. And for time of year, let's start from decimal number unit. So here is 1. Here is 10. 10. Here is 100. 100. And here is 1,000, 1,000. And then you count the number before the decimal number unit. So it's supposed to be 1,000, right? But for 1,000, we don't say 1. 1,000, this number, it's 4, 1,400. This one is 4, 1,440. This one is 3, 3. And then you don't pronounce 1 either. So 1443년. 1443년. 결국 1443년에 새로운 new 글자 script 만들었어요. made. 그것이 바로 precisely 한글이에요. 한글은 과학적인 글자예요. Circle, dot is 하늘, the sky. So during Joseon Dynasty, that we saw the sky as a circle. And this is vowel 는 땅 mean ground. And if you see the horizon, they saw it like this. So it's resembled to vowel 그리고 and vowel E as like a person standing. Right? 사람, person, 뜻해요. 뜻 meaning. 뜻하다 means as verb. If you join our book club, then you can have the script of the whole story and also 20 common words, sentence breakdown. So each sentence is toggled in, and if you toggle out, you will have a Korean phrase, part of a speech and meaning, so that you will understand Korean sentence structure better. And then grammar points. So there is a list of grammar points, and as you read through, it's underlined. Let's say 세종대왕은 조선시대의. You want to read more about 의, then you just click, then it will lead you to more elaborated page to explain 의. 이 세 가지를 조합해서 combined 한글 모음에 한글 모음 mean vowel 구조 structure 만들었어요. 이 세 가지를 조합해서 한글 모음의 구조를 만들었어요. 그림 drawing처럼 like 생기다 mean look. So together with the 처럼 생기다 become look like a drawing. 지만 contrasting connector, but 뜻 meaning 이 있는 글자예요. 뜻이 있는 글자예요. 그림처럼 생겼지만 뜻이 있는 글자예요. 처음에는 at first 오히려 rather 한글이 너무 쉽고 too easy 여자나 지위 means social status 낮다 mean low. So 사람 person. So 지위가 낮은 is this modifying 사람. What kind of a person? Low social status person. So here 사람들만 only 쓴다 to use. Something 다고 is a quotation. 멸시받았어요. 멸시받다 means it's scorned, which means it was not used commonly right after it was announced. The privileged saw it as something that's low class. it's designed to be used for women's or someone who is low in social status. 하지만, but, 결국에는, in the end, 우리나라의 공식적인 official 문자 writing system 되었어요. to become. 하지만 결국에는 우리나라의 공식적인 문자가 되었어요. 세계인들이 세계 as the word, in as person, 들 as plural, so it makes the people around the world. 하루하루, 하루 mean a day. 하루하루 is an expression, a day by day. 한글을 배우고 있어요. 고 있다 is present progressive tense. So it's something is happening at the moment. 세종대왕이 만약에 if 만약에 something면. So this is if something is happening, then something happen like this. So 만약에 if 지금의 우리를 볼 수 있다면 지금의 우리 we of now 보다 to see 볼 수 있다 able to see. So if he was alive and he could see of us, he 이렇게 like this 말하다 and then 말할 거예요. will say. 내가 백성을 위해 mean for the people. 만든 글자. 만들다. This one is adjective form of 만들다. made script. 세계 사람들이 사랑하고 love and 배우고 있구나. learning. So 내가 백성을 위해 만든 글자를 글자 but this whole thing is modifying 글자. 세계 사람들이 사랑하고 배우고 있구나. 내 꿈은 이루어졌다. So this is 꿈은 이루어졌다 is like English expression dream come true.